everyone, how you baking? My name is Sean Chong and today we will be making butter pound cake. But before we begin, let's preheat this baby up. Let's preheat this baby up. Please, now. That's not working.
So let's begin after that really boring intro. Okay, let's pour in our melted butter and oil, and then you're just gonna scrape a bit and leave this bowl aside to brush your tin for later use. And then next we want to put in our white sugar, also known as fine sugar, castor sugar. You can find mostly everywhere lah. You want to whisk this together. You can't fully dissolve the sugar. Yes, a normal traditional pound or butter cake, you usually whip soft butter and sugar till it's light and fluffy, but I'm showing you a very easy one bowl quick recipe because we all lazy, right? We want something easy, so I'm showing you this recipe of my own. Next, you want to use a vanilla essence, or in my case here, I'm using vanilla butter. It's so good. I love this flavoring. And then pour in the eggs. Now you want to start emulsifying. You can Google emulsifying on Google because I don't want to put it in a description and explain it again. Okay, you want it to be creamy and beautiful like that. And then you want to add in your self-raising flour. Also keep in mind that all self-raising flour has different raising agent content, yeah? Then next you want to bring your milk in the yard with some yogurt inside as well. Okay, that's bad. Doesn't even rhyme. So I'm gonna continue. Now you just want to fold it in the sides. I like to use spatula and a whisk. Sorry, I'm swallowing, like my saliva is so dry, the air. Because it's good to scrape the bowl, but if you only have one, which I recommend, just a whisk is the best because the whisk does break down the flour and everything and does get the batter to be really nice and smooth. Keep in mind this will be a really runny batter, but don't worry, it will end up beautiful. And that's it. Good. Now let's take our 8 by 3 by 3 inches thin cut baking paper, the same size as the bottom of the pan. Use the butter and oil that you saved earlier to grease the whole pan nicely so that it's easy to come out of the pan after baking. Then line the bottom with the baking paper like so. And there you go. And then you're going to take your runny batter and pour it in like so. Don't worry, professionals, and you have extra, by the way. It's better more than less. And then you just want to pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Ta-da! Dun 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 dun. Beautiful smell. Oh, I'm telling you, if you can smell this, it's so good. You can smell the nice fresh baked butter loaf. Turn it over, get it out. Bodoh, ambil pisau dulu and cut it out of the pan. Yes, that's what you should do, silly boy. Now you want to flip it over and it will come out. Ta-da! Beautiful. Oops, stupid boy. That's a song from Pink, by the way, if you know. One of my favorite artists. Anyway, this is not a video about my favorite artist. Let's cut this loaf into whatever size you want. You can eat this with jam, kaya, peanut butter. Oh, so many things you can eat this with, and it's so good. Super easy to make. Delicious, moist, and fluffy. That's it.
That is all. It's that easy to make this butter pound powder cake. Powder sound like powder cake. It's super fluffy and soft. I love eating this with strawberry jam, some clotted cream. Clotted cream is like whipped cream. And yeah, you can have this for breakfast, you can have this for tea time. It's so easy to make. The batter is a little bit more watery because it's easier to stir and make. That's why it's like a fast, easy recipe in one bowl. I'm gonna give this a try. Look how soft that is. Ooh. So good. Oh, happy day. Should talk with your mouth too. If you like this video, I was most choked. Do subscribe, press the like button below, and I'll see you in my next one. Damn, I feel I gained 1 kg. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you did enjoy that. And if you did, please do subscribe pressing the button below and follow my social media links stated somewhere here. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you can comment below. I hope to see you in my next one. So, see you later, alligator. Outro music. Da, 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 yeah.